Hey you guys, my name is Ruit and welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to make a turtleneck sweater. I found this lovely fabric which I really like. It's thick and it's soft and the colors are great, so I want to make it kind of tight turtleneck sweater. So let's get started. So this is going to be the easiest sweater ever. What we're going to do is we're going to follow the lines of this existing sweater, and here I'm going to make it longer like a turtleneck, and then we'll see what's going on. We just join the sides, and everything will be ready.
Like two fires, movement so graceful. Wildcat in the jungle with dangerous claws. Movement she anticipates, a sight is set on her prey. Like stars in the darkest night, crystallized, fascinating. If you wanna stay alive, if you don't wanna be her prey, don't stand in her way. Run, run, run away. Crystallize, 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 watching her prey. Crystallize, crystallize.
So I flip the fabric so it will be right side together, and I will sew along the cuts from the wrong side. I'm going to use my overlock machine because I don't want this fabric to fray, but I don't think it will, just in case.
Don't look back, she anticipates. No chance if you become prey. Two stars in the darkest night, her crystallized fascinate. Her movements, she feels your heartbeat and animal fear. Her beauty is unreal, just be feet out of here.
If you wanna stay alive, if you don't wanna be her prey, don't stand in her way.
So I tried this on and it looks really good. It's a bit long. I'm considering shortening it, but I think I will leave it. It's nice that it's long. You will see later and you will tell me. I can always cut it short, right? So I can finish it right now with just hemming the sleeves and the bottom. But I think I will add some cufflinks to the sleeves because I want them to be longer and fluffier and fancier, so that's what I want. I'll get another fabric. So this is the cuff, it fits, and now you fold it in half. So it's narrow, but it's on the right side, see? So now that I have my cuffs ready to be sewn, okay, I need to flip my sweater so I can sew the sleeves back to the cuffs. Sew the sleeves to the cuffs. Let's flip it. Right side to the right side, okay. This is the right side, and I'm going to match the seams of the cuff to the seams on the sweatshirt. And place it up. See? Like so. Like so. And then when I sew it, I'll flip it, and you only see the nice that we sewed all the way and didn't miss anything. Okay, so it's good. I've got a cuff. So pretty. Next, other side now. Now let's flip. And yes, we sewed all the way around. I like it. Ah, it's so soft. The neck, I want to overlock it, and the bottom. So that's the neck. If you want, you can flip it inside and make a small stitch here. You can see it on the side of the shoulders, so it will always be standing double. The neckline will always be double, but I want to play with it, so I want to leave it like this. So now the bottom, I'm going to hem the bottom of the shirt, and that's it. Easiest sweater ever, easiest project ever. Okay, one last thing, to fold and hem. All ready? Going to try it on and I will show you.